In this guide, we will show you how to password protect your Excel document. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. First, open the Excel document you want to protect. Go to the top left, click on File, then scroll down and click on Info. Next, click on Protect Workbook and choose Encrypt with password. Enter the password you want to use and click OK. You will need to confirm the password by typing it again and pressing OK. To apply the change, you must save the document. Go over the left and click on Save. Your Excel file is now password protected. To test it, close the file and reopen it. You will see a prompt that says the document is protected and you need to enter the password to unlock it. Once you enter the correct password, you can access and make changes to the document. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.